Hello everyone, this is Tate the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician, and I know it's not 4th of July just yet, but we are going to, we're lighting some fireworks. So, yep. So this is lighting fireworks before the 4th of July. The sky is a dark, deep cyan right up there, and we are going to be lighting a firework pretty soon. So they're over there blowing our little ram's horn that we have. So but yeah, I'm gonna try and I have a firework and it's called Blue, and I'm waiting for it to get dark so that way I can film it. And it seems to be getting dark rather quickly. They're doing some pop-its over there. They're still blowing the ram's horn shofar. Not meant to be violated, but yep. There go But yep, there's the deep cyan right up there in the sky.
Sorry, I
But yeah, we're just waiting. Maybe tomorrow, if I go see some more fireworks, I will do an elaborate firework video. But yeah. And we got a fountain firework going off. So there we go. There's a fountain firework. Shout out to Cody B Pyrotechnics, and because he does really good firework videos. So yep. Shout out to Cody B Pyrotechnics, Pyro Nation, Pyro Dad, every other pyrotechnic enthusiast. See, I told y'all that during 4th of July I would make a firework video. Well, here is my lighting fireworks before the 4th of July. So, here we go. And we're doing it. Alright. And then we're doing the sparklers, which I'm not gonna film if there's a kid around, so I'm not gonna film the kid. But not meant to be violated either. But yeah, we actually have lightning bugs and fireflies out. Yep, the sky is getting darker and that deep cyan. You can hear people. Lighting fireworks off in the distance. You can hear some fireworks going off in the distance over there. Yeah. I'm over here.
It's like Star Wars. It's like a lightsaber.
Alright, YouTube, so now you get to hear me blow the horn. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, YouTube, here we go. Oh, there's the fireflies down there. Alright, there we go.
When it gets low, come back, I'll light you another one.
So there is my ram's horn blowing. Alright, here's the shofar back.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'll just blow one more time.
What? Tate. Stick in the bucket. Where's the stick? Good.
Let's go look at these fireflies. Oh, the sky's getting dark. Oh, here we go. Alright, here we go for all you Cody B Pyrotechnics fans. Oh, look at there's a firefly. We got some fireflies. We got
Ready? Watch. Ooh, I can't watch that one.
lightning strike fireworks. There we go.
Who is it?
That's what it's supposed to do. Look.
A strobe light. Let's see if we have any more fireworks.
Oh,
It's just phosphorus.
that's pretty intense. I can't even look at it.
And note, if you do have epilepsy, guys, do not watch some of these fireworks, as there are some strobing. I forgot to tell you all that. That's because I don't know what fireworks we have until now, but let's go ahead and look at more of these fireflies. Honestly, they do look like fireworks. Oh, he's lighting another one.
This is how you call the fireflies.
Oh. Know the YouTube, I would play the violin, but this is not a violin video.
Like this one. Like
Although that would be interesting if I played the violin. Let's check the sky. Oh,
this on fire.
let's just look at these fireflies.
Ant! Get in!
Oh, go. Fuck.
Little too much.
So yeah, there's the... I don't know if y'all can see the fireflies, but there they
Here,
are.
Come here, come like this one. Take this one in your hand. Where that goes out. Okay.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Come here.
You can hear...
Okay, hold them off to the side.
You can hear the other people lighting fireworks off in the distance.
The last one. We're gonna send them off like a rocket. Hold them off to the side.
See all these fireflies back here, but
Come back to me.
there they are down there. Right there they go. You can see the sky is now turning dark. You can see the sparklers over there popping. Ooh, those sparklers are getting bright. Yep, so 4th of July 2021.
Go, go, go. Go. Go, Jedi.
Set fire.
Yeah. But yeah, we got some cool fireworks. We got, I got a blue one that's gonna come too, so you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see a blue one light up.
Fire.
Ant, don't you run on this. Go. Look, you're burning holes in it.
Got some fireflies over here. Fireflies
This
are...
thing burns to the ground. I don't want to hear it.
I can't tell you some days how comforting it is to see myself in you right now.
But yep,
Raising you.
it's actually getting really dark. I mean, yep. It's really cool.
Sometimes
Oh,
makes
what's
me
going on?
Satisfied to see Curtis, me and Curtis dealing with him.
Daddy. After that one.
Whoa!
Another
check that
phantom
out.
fountain. I'll get
Ready
closer.
for big blue tape?
Yeah, I was gonna let it get a little darker.
We're gonna finish off with that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So y'all be able to see Big Blue here in a little bit too.
Oh, I didn't know there was that much in the kids' pack.
Huh?
I didn't know there was that much in the kids' pack. How much is in there?
It's on the back of the stove.
Big Blue's gonna come up.
No fuse.
Oh, here we go.
It needs to go down by the mailbox down at the
ladies.
Oh, look at that. Whoa. That one's big. And there we go. So y'all will be able to see Big Blue. I can't wait for Big Blue. It's going to be awesome.
Magnum pistol poppers.
You still hear those fireworks going off in the distance.
Come here, Gideon. You shoot this one.
Oh, I think these are the ones that are...
Alright, come here.
Come here, Dave's got a...
Look, you take it like a gun, and you squeeze that trigger. Look, point it away.
Ooh.
Oh. You want to do one?
I want to do one.
Alright, here you go.
How many are there?
Hold it like a gun and point it away from people. Don't you point it at anybody. Point it at somebody, I'll bust your butt engine.
Hold it away. Pull the trigger.
No. Look, here. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help. Don't you?
Hey.
I think that one goes up in the air.
Hold it like a gun. Shoot it.
Okay, hold on. Ready? That one was actually really hard. I should have let him have the other one. I didn't realize.
Oh, you okay? You're fine.
Yeah, but I can already tell this is going to be a long video, but that's cool.
Hold on. This one's a snake. You can do that one
Are your
tomorrow.
fireflies lighting up?
Everything else.
Hmm?
Did they get out?
The snake can be done.
Oh,
tomorrow.
they haven't been lighting up.
Those were the ones that flashed. They're right here.
Except for one. I think one might have got
No,
down.
it's not.
Because he had 6. The holes are too big in it.
Which firework is he lighting?
The screen or something around back.
What?
What's next?
That's it. We're gonna do
Here's
tastes.
the last one. Last.
Here we go,
last little
YouTube.
one. Look.
We have snakes. We do the snake.
Whoa, it's blue smoke.
Oh, it was a blue smoke bomb.
Watch out. Don't get too close. It's a
Hey.
smoke bomb. Blue smoke. Pretty cool. Ben.
Alright, here we go, YouTube.
Okay.
What?
We go more over towards the driveway.
Oh, these smoke bombs?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was the big blue one that he was doing.
Oh no,
I got it. That was
Curtis went to go get
snakes.
the...
Alright, here we go, YouTube. Some more smoke bombs. These are meant to be lit up during the day, but, Alright, here we go. Still quite a long video.
Holy cow, let's do that one.
Here we go. I will have to aim up to the sky.
Come on, up here. It's the big one. Come on, Gideon. You got to get away from it.
Here we go,
The
YouTube.
only one.
Big-
The only big one you get.
Big blue.
Sorry about that.
Come on. Daddy, catch it.
All right, here goes. You'll have to edit the videotapes. It's not so long.
I like long videos.
Stop it. Some people don't. It's better to keep them short and sweet, but here we go. Oops, sorry.
Alright, there we go. Lighting fireworks before the 4th of July. Thank you for watching.